Here's how I make this super easy, delicious roasted tomato soup. You can use any tomato of your choice. I'm using a combination of grape tomato with tomato on the vine, 1 garlic head, 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, 1 thyme sprig, olive oil, chili flakes, salt, and pepper. We're going to roast that at 400 for 25 to 35 minutes. You could then add all this to a blender with a 17-ounce container of chicken stock and blend that up, but I'm going to use a pot and an immersion blender. Going to get that nice and blended. You can season to taste. I used about 2 teaspoons of salt. I added more chili flakes because I like mine spicy, and then onion powder, garlic salt. I used half a pint of heavy cream to give that some creaminess, paired with the grilled cheese and calling it a meal.